Welcome back to ANTRIX Media, where we help you navigate through the complexities of personal finance. In today's video, we're going to discuss 10 essential tips for retirement planning. Retirement planning can be a daunting task, especially if you're just starting. But with proper planning and foresight, you can ensure a comfortable and financially stable retirement. So without further ado, let's dive into the 10 tips for retirement planning. Tip 1. Start early. The first and most crucial tip for retirement planning is to start early. The earlier you start, the more time you have to build your retirement corpus. The power of compounding is such that even small contributions can grow into significant sums over time. For example, if you start investing Rs. 10,000 per month at the age of 25 and continue till the age of 60, assuming an average return of 8%, your corpus will grow to Rs. 2.7 crores. But if you start at the age of 35, your corpus will only be around Rs. 94 lakhs. So, start early, and make it a habit to save and invest a portion of your income every month towards your retirement. Tip 2. Determine your retirement goals. The second tip for retirement planning is to determine your retirement goals. How much money do you need to retire comfortably? What kind of lifestyle do you want to lead after retirement? Do you want to travel or pursue any hobbies or start a new business? Answering these questions will give you a clear picture of how much money you need to save and invest to achieve your retirement goals. For example, if you want to retire at the age of 60 and lead a comfortable life with an annual expense of 10 rupees lakhs, you need a corpus of 2 crore assuming a 5% post-retirement return. Tip 3. Take stock of your current finances. The third tip for retirement planning is to take stock of your current finances. How much do you have in your retirement accounts? How much debt do you have? How much do you need to save to achieve your retirement goals? Taking stock of your current finances will give you a clear idea of where you stand and what steps you need to take to achieve your retirement goals. Tip 4. Determine your risk appetite. The fourth tip for retirement planning is to determine your risk appetite. Different people have different risk appetites, and it's essential to invest according to your risk tolerance. If you're a conservative investor, you may want to invest in low-risk investments such as fixed deposits, bonds, or debt funds. If you're an aggressive investor, you may want to invest in high-risk investments such as equities or equity mutual funds. But keep in mind that higher returns come with higher risks. So, choose your investments wisely, and don't take unnecessary risks that could jeopardize your retirement plans. Tip 5. Diversify your portfolio. The fifth tip for retirement planning is to diversify your portfolio. Diversification is the key to reducing risks and increasing returns. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, invest in a mix of assets such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and gold, among others. Diversification will help you balance out the risks and returns and ensure that your retirement corpus is protected from market volatilities. Tip 6. Monitor your investments regularly. The sixth tip for retirement planning is to monitor your investments regularly. Keep a close eye on your investments and track their performance regularly. Review your portfolio periodically and make necessary adjustments based on your changing needs, risk appetite, and market conditions. Regular monitoring will help you identify any underperforming investments and take corrective action before it's too late. Tip 7. Consider inflation. The seventh tip for retirement planning is to consider inflation. Inflation is the rate at which the cost of goods and services increases over time. It erodes the value of your money and can seriously impact your retirement plans. For example, if you retire with a corpus of 1 crore today, assuming an inflation rate of 5%, your purchasing power will decrease by half in the next 15 years. So, it's essential to factor in inflation while calculating your retirement needs and invest in instruments that offer higher returns than inflation. Tip 8. Consider health insurance. The eighth tip for retirement planning is to consider health insurance. Healthcare costs are rising, and a medical emergency can quickly deplete your retirement corpus. So, it's crucial to have adequate health insurance coverage to protect yourself from unexpected medical expenses. Consider buying a comprehensive health insurance policy that covers hospitalization expenses, critical illnesses, and pre-existing conditions. Also, consider buying a separate health insurance policy for your spouse and dependent children. Tip 9. Consider tax implications. The 9th tip for retirement planning is to consider tax implications. Retirement planning is not just about saving and investing, it's also about minimizing tax liabilities. Consider investing in tax-saving instruments such as PPF, ELSS, and NPS, among others, to reduce your tax liability. Also, consider buying tax-free bonds and tax-free mutual funds that offer tax-free returns. Tip 10. Seek professional help. The 10th and final tip for retirement planning is to seek professional help. Retirement planning is a complex process, and it's always good to seek the help of a professional financial planner who can guide you through the process and help you achieve your retirement goals. A financial planner can help you determine your retirement goals, assess your risk tolerance, create a diversified portfolio, and monitor your investments regularly. They can also help you factor in inflation, tax implications, and healthcare costs while planning for your retirement. Conclusion: retirement planning is a crucial aspect of personal finance, and it's never too early or too late to start planning. By following these 10 tips, you can ensure a financially secure and comfortable retirement. Remember to start early, determine your retirement goals, take stock of your current finances, determine your risk appetite, diversify your portfolio, monitor your investments regularly, consider inflation, health insurance, and tax implications, and seek professional help. That's it for today's video. We hope you found these tips useful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.